We're going to do several series of the complete restoration of a Willcox and Gibbs. And these are some of the tools that you're going to need to do the job. I've already pre-loosened some of the screws to make the video a little bit faster. It just gives you an idea of the complete teardown. What I recommend is that we take and get a pan with a magnet. Okay, it holds all your parts in there, so if you bump it, you won't lose it. And also get you a little plastic or whatnot box and put your parts in there as you're going through the process. Okay, the first step we're going to do is we're going to remove, also this right here is a cheat sheet that I'm going to be using. It tells you all the different parts on here. So we're going to be lifting the foot bar, we're going to be removing that, and also the needle bar. So let's just get right to it. And we're going to remove the foot bar, so let's get that down and get it removed. Okay, there's a screw in there, it holds that down. There's a plunger in there also in there, so you lift up on the plunger with our spring in there. Now let's get our pan over here. Everything in there, and that's the first screw right there. Let's go ahead and take our pressure foot off. Let's get that off. Get that out of the way. Okay, and there's a nut right here, and these nuts right here are almost impossible to find. If you lose one, you're in trouble. Okay, and we're going to remove the cotton plate. Sewing plate. Okay, that's going to be removed. We're going to set that in a bucket here, and a lot of times this won't come up, and you're going to have to take emery cloth, and you can find this anywhere, and get about 100 grit, and you'll have to get in between here and sand. Okay, back and forth. Because what it is a lot of deposits and rust gets in there, and these won't come up. So once you do that, it will come up. Okay. All right, that one's out of the way. Now we're going to do the needle. Okay, arm bar, needle bar. So I'm going to take this, and this right here, because this has to come off with this at about the same time. This right here is a rascal to get off. You're going to need to take a large flat piece of metal. This was once a chisel. You're going to place it in this flat. Okay, and you're going to have to take a wrench, because these are some are on tighter than others, and you're going to have to break it loose. Okay, you have to put a lot of pressure downwards, but you're going to have to break it loose. So it does come loose. I would suggest using this right here, a good penetrating oil first. Let it soak for a couple hours, just spray all the parts off. Okay, so we're going to loosen that, and we're going to loosen this a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to flip it up, and then what we're going to do is take it is a connecting rod. This connecting rod, we're going to take it off the top part. Okay, we're going to take this top part completely off. Okay, that's going to come off, and it has identification marks on it. See the two dots, impression marks right there? These marks, and it's on this larger part too, always will face the front of the machine. So that's off. Now we're going to take these and simply just take this off. That one's off. Okay. If I'm going too fast, I'm trying to get everything in before the 15-minute time. And my son is 13. He's filming it. So this is the it's called a lever stud right here. This is the lever stud.
that right there is a pain in the butt to take off. But anyways, that one's off. And also you have your drain where your oil drains down. It drains into this little hole here. And this right here, after you get the lever off, this piece in here is swiveled. You're going to have to take it a lot of times that it's on there. You're going to have to take this piece like this while it's still bolted on there, okay? And you're going to take it and you're going to tap on it.